Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nokia T20 and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and now we have to scroll down to the very bottom and tap on system. Now let's enter languages and input and tap on languages. And as you can see here, we've got the list of all previously added languages. In my case is English and Spanish. So if you want to add new language, just tap on add a language here. And as you can see, we've been transferred to the full list of all available languages from which we can choose. So obviously all we have to do right now is to simply find the language we would like to set and tap on it. So let me pick maybe this one. I believe this is Greek, but I'm not sure. Okay, just tap on it. And as you can see, it has been immediately applied to this list, but the English language is still a main one. So all we have to do right now is to simply tap on the language we would like to set and hold it. So tap and hold it. And as you can see right now, we can change the position of it. So let's drag it to the very first one and release the finger. And as you can see, from now on, the whole system, the whole menu will be in the chosen language. Let's say it's Greek. So let's get back and check. And as you can see, it has been changed. So let me show it to you again, because I'm not really good at this language. So let's tap on it, hold it, and drag it, the English, to the very first position. And the same situation, it has been immediately applied. So this is how to change the language. And if you like to tidy up your device, if you don't want to have plenty of languages here added, then just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on remove. And as you can see right now, you can mark the languages you'd like to delete and tap on the trash bin icon. Tap on remove. And as you can see, right now we've got only English left. So actually this is it. This is how to change system language in your Nokia T20. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.